Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Journey with Vijay Kumar Shrivastav. Today I am going to present the topic cropping seasons in India. Before presentation, little introduction about myself. I am Vijay Kumar Shrivastav. I have done M.Sc Agriculture with specialization in Agronomy from Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar in 1996, and presently working as a seed professional in one of the MNC associated with Seeds and Pesticide Group. So let's move to the presentation. Season is defined as part of the year during which a distinct type of weather prevails. A season is a division of the year marked by changes in weather, ecology, and the amount of daylight. On Earth, seasons are the result of Earth's orbit around the Sun and Earth's axial tilt relative to the ecliptic plane. Growing season for a crop is more important for its yield and other management practices to be followed. Now we will study about the seasons of temperate regions. First one is spring, which prevails from March to May. This is the first season of the year in which plants begin to grow and leaves emerge. Second is summer season, which is from June to August. This is the second and warmest season of the year outside the tropics, during which plants flourish. Third season is fall or autumn season, which is the period from September to November. This is the third season of the year in which leaves turn brown. And fourth is winter season, which duration is from December to February. This is the last and the coldest season of the year. Many trees lose their leaves. Now a study about seasons of India. According to India Meteorological Department IMD, there are 4 seasons in a year in India. First one is Kharif or monsoon season or southwest monsoon, which periods from June to September. Second is post monsoon season. It is also known as northeast monsoon, which period from October to November. Then winter season, which ranges from December to February month. Then Jayad or summer crops or pre-monsoon season, which period is from March to May months. The post-monsoon and winter season are combined together and designated as Rabi, October to February, throughout India. Accordingly, the agriculture seasons in India are called as Kharif, Rabi and Summer. Now seasons of South India. In southern states of India, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, there is slight variations in the season based on rainfall duration. Like first one is cold weather period, which is winter, prevails from January to February. Then hot weather, which is also known as summer, it prevails from March to May months. Then southwest monsoon period, which ranges from June to September months, also known as rainy season. Then northeast monsoon period, which is from October to December. Now to study the characteristics of seasons. First one is winter or cold weather. Second is summer or hot weather. Third is southwest monsoon. And fourth, northeast monsoon. Now we will study about winter or cold weather. The weather prevailing during this period is cool, usually dry and pleasant with dew fall during morning hours. Occasional cyclonic depressions bring light rains to northwestern regions in India. These rains, though is a small amount, are most beneficial to the winter crops. At times they do more harm than good due to shedding of cotton balls, damaging of tobacco quality. Second is summer or hot weather. This period is characterized by high temperature. The temperatures are higher in the north during this period than South India. Showers during this period are mainly useful for preparatory cultivation. Summer plowing. Gingerly and sorghum are sown with the rains. The garden lands crops are benefited by these rains. Third is southwest monsoon. This is the rainy season in India except most part of Tamil Nadu. About 60% of the rainfall in a year is received during this period. Most of the tropical crops, Kharif crops, are grown during this period. All dry lands and also wetlands directly depend on the rains received during this period. Garden lands crops are also benefited by these rains. The climate prevailing during this period is warm and humid with bright sunshine except on rainy days, which is representing the tropical climate. Then fourth one is northeast monsoon. The temperature is high up to the middle of October and later starts falling rapidly. The rainfall received during this period is about 33% of annual rainfall except in Tamil Nadu and coastal Andhra Pradesh, where the annual rainfall received during this period is more than 55%, half of it with occasional cyclones. The sky is clear in North India Most temperate Rabi crops are grown during this period. Now to study crop-wise season. First one is rice seasons. Rice is grown in different seasons during a year. First, rice seasons in North India. This is divided in three types. First one is off season, which prevails from May to September. Then Aman, which starts from June and ends by December. This is also known as Kharif season. Then third is Boro season, which starts from January and ends in May. This is also known as summer season. After that, rice seasons in South India. It is of different types in various states like AP, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, etc. Like Kuruvarai. This is prevails from June to September. Then early Samba. It starts from July, August and ends in December, January. After that, Samba. It prevails from August to January. Then late Samba season, which is from September to February months. Then Thaladi, which is from September to February. Then Navrai, it starts from December and ends in April. Then Sornavari, it starts from April and ends in September. In Karnataka, it starts from May to September. And one of the is Pisanam, which is from September to January. So there are different rice season in South India. Now about cotton seasons. First one is winter irrigated, where the sowings are in August-September. Second is summer season, where the sowings are in February-March. Then rice fallow, where the cotton sowings took place after January to February. Then rain-fed cotton, where the sowings took place in September or to October. Then third is sugarcane seasons. This is also having four seasons, like first one is early season, where the planting is done in December-January. Second is mid-season, where the planting is done in February-March. Then late season, planting is done in April-May. And after that, there is one of the special season, where the planting took place from June-July months. Now we will study about agronomic concepts of the growing seasons. Agronomically, the growing seasons can be defined as the period when the soil water, resulting mainly from rainfall, is freely available to the crop. The conditions occur when the water consumed by the crop is in equilibrium with rainfall and water storage in the soil. The growing season for a rain-fed crop involves three different periods, during which the soil moisture conditions depend on the rainfall received. First one is pre-humid period. During this period, the precipitation will always remain lower than the potential evapotranspiration for the corresponding period. This period corresponds to the sowing period of the crops. Sowing can be done with the precipitation during the week where the rainfall is more than 0.5 potential evapotranspiration. Then humid period. During this second period, the precipitation remains higher than the potential evapotranspiration. The crops in this period will be in active vegetative and flowering phase, and the water requirement will be at peak stage. At the end of this period, water balance is on the positive side and the water storage in the soil is on the increasing mode, since the rainfall is higher than the water needs. Third is post-humid seasons. This period follows the humid period. During this period, there is a gradual reduction in the water stored in the soil due to the utilization by the crop plants. The crops will also make use of the rainfall received. This period usually coincides with maturity stage of the crops. Types of growing period. There are four types of growing period. First one is normal. In this type, rainfall is in excess during the humid period. At the end of the pre-humid period, when precipitation is higher than the 0.5 PET, sowing the crops are taken up. This type of growing season is prevalent in semi-arid tropics. Second is intermediate type. The precipitation is lower than the PET all round the year. The growing season is limited to the period when rainfall is excess of 0.5 PET. Only drought hardy crops like pearl millet, castor, etc. can be grown. Dry farming is highly risky. After that, all year round humid. In this type, the precipitation is more than PET all around the year, indicating the moisture sufficiency for cropping. This type occurs in high rainfall areas and mostly perennial crops are raised. After that, fourth is all year round dry. The precipitation is lower than 0.5 PET throughout the year. Cropping is not possible in these areas. This type of growing season is found in extremely arid areas, mostly the deserts. The fluctuations in the crop yields depend on the various conditions. First one is the length of the rainy season from sowing to the end of the rains. Second, the quantity and distribution of rains during the pre-humid and humid periods. Third, the excess rainfall during humid periods should go to the soil storage. It may cause waterlogging and crop losing. Then fourth, the amount of rainfall received during post-humid season. It may supplement the soil moisture during maturity. This may favorably influence the yield. So this presentation was all about cropping seasons in India. Now my presentation ends here. Thank you very much. I have given here my YouTube channel details, Journey with Vijay Kumar Shrivastav. Having request, please visit the channel, subscribe it and provide your kind and valuable feedback. Thank you.